Hey friends, wanted to do a little video for you here to show you how you can generate, just use the debug window as a calculator. This is Eric with VBAHowto.com. Okay, so first of all, open up the VBA window, alternate F11. Press alternate F11 on your keyboard, and what should happen is not this, but this. Okay, that. And then if you want to generate, this is just a quick little thing, little cool feature. Hi. Okay, and then we're gonna go to the end and actually put hi in quotation marks. Hi. Okay, nice. What about some a little bit trickier? Okay, we have format. Let's say we want to get today's date as or a certain date in a text format instead of a numeric format. Okay, so, and actually I'm going to do this in another video in a kind of a more expanded way. I'm going to add a lot to it, but anyway, this is simply what it would do. So I'm taking a date. I just want to find the day of the week for whatever value I put in here. So, and this is going to be actually a text box. 2000, and I guess today is 6/23/2022, and then the date format I want is D. And how do I know that? Okay, I get Thursday. I press enter and I get Thursday. If I just want the day of that, I push this 1D. I'm sure there's source online if you can go to Microsoft and actually get what these little abbreviations stand for. So this is, and if you just want the abbreviated format, it's THU. But I don't want that. I want Thursday, the word. Okay, I could pass in just about any variable here. But that's pretty cool. Check out this is the 2 days in the past. Oh, and if okay, you may be thinking about this. What about if I wanted to go ahead and utilize have a variable in here. So I insert a module and let's say a sub test. Okay, I'm just going to make up an imaginary sub procedure, and I'm going to say date, or date is a keyword, so I'm just going to have that, and date, and let's say I'm going to make it 25, and then 2021, and then I'm gonna say debug print because that's the way that I get it printed to the immediate window, which I was doing manually in the past or earlier in this video. And make sure you like and subscribe to this video. Like and subscribe because it helps me out. Like and subscribe the video. So debug print, and then I'm gonna do format, and then DTE, and then what format I want. And so I press F5 and press F5, and I should get Thursday, which you probably can't see. And so I'm going to, or getting Friday, okay, which is fine, because that's Oh, that was, okay. Change the year. 2 days from now, it's, Saturday. It should show up Saturday. Okay, it does. Good. And if you didn't know, you can press F8 and step into, okay, we can step into this. First DT is blank, it's nothing, it's empty variable, and going ahead and formatting this as a date. So hopefully you got something from this. If you didn't, that's alright. Check out my other more complicated video. But I thought this was a pretty cool little feature. Okay, thanks, and again, Eric with VBAHowto.com, and make sure you like and subscribe to my channel because it really helps out the channel that you're viewing right now. Bye.